Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. In the previous class we completed the lesson parallels and meridians up to 16th page. All of you open your social textbook. This is the lesson parallels and meridians. Here we completed the parallels. So we continue the lesson meridians. Imaginary lines running from north to south are called meridians or lines of longitude. Imaginary lines running from north to south are called meridians or lines of longitude. Underline, these lines are drawn from pole to pole. These lines are drawn from pole to pole. Here the imaginary lines, this is the north pole and this here south pole. We have to draw the lines from north to south pole. Next, important features of meridians. All meridians are of the same length. All meridians are same length. The maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator. The distance between any two meridians decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Meridians cut the parallels at right angles 90 degree. Meridians are used to measure distances in the east-west directions. Next one, how are meridians numbered? You have read that to number the parallels, we start from the equator. Similarly, we need a starting point to number the meridians. In 1884, it was decided to fix Greenwich, underline the word Greenwich, a place near London, underline, as the starting point for numbering meridians. Greenwich near the London, this is the starting point to numbering the meridians. The meridian that passed through Greenwich was marked 0 degree. Here 0 degree and named prime meridian. 0 degree meridian is named by prime meridian. Underline prime meridian. The longitude of a place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. Like parallels, meridians are also drawn at intervals of 1 degree. If we move away from the prime meridian towards the east or the west, we reach halfway round the earth at 180 degree. Thus, there are 180 meridians. Total meridians are how many? Total meridians are 180 meridians towards the east of the prime meridian and 180 meridians towards the west of the prime meridian. The meridians of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. So, in the total there are 360 meridians. Here, this is east, north, south, east and west. Here the Greenwich line 0 degree named prime meridian. Here this side of east side of meridians are 180 meridians and west side of meridians are 180. So, total meridians are 360 meridians. Next, locating place on the globe. The parallels and meridians form a network of lines on the globe. The parallels and meridians form a network of lines on the globe. This is called a grid. Underline that. This is called a grid. We use it to locate places on the globe. We use to locate a particular place with the help of grid. Here, this is a north pole and south pole. This is equator and this one prime meridian. This is the prime meridian and this one equator. Here these are the grids. These are the grids. We locate a particular place with the help of these grids. To locate a place, we must know the values of its parallel or latitude and its meridian or longitude. We call parallel as latitude and we call meridian as longitude. The point at which the parallel and the meridian cross each other is the location of that place. Here, the parallels and meridians cross each other. They are crossed each other. Then we form a grids. Then we form the grids. So, this grid is help to locate a place. Turn the page. So, children, this is the lesson. Next, read and answer. Tick the correct answers. The two endpoints of the Earth's axis are called. The two endpoints of the Earth's axis are called what ma? Dots, lines, poles, caps. That is poles. You have to tick that. The part of the Earth above the equator is called the The part of the earth above the equator is called the dash. North pole, south pole, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is the correct answer. If parallels are drawn at intervals of 1 degree, there will be. If parallels are drawn at intervals of 1 degree, there will be dash 181 parallels with the equator. With also equator, we have to count the parallels, 181 parallels. Next one, the prime meridian passes through a place called, Sandwich, Norwich, Greenwich and London. The correct answer is Greenwich. To locate a place on a globe, we must know its latitude, and longitude, time zone. Yes, we know latitudes and longitudes. Then we form a grids. Okay. Next, complete the series. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree N. Tropic of Capricorn also 23 degree N half S. Next, equator, latitude, prime meridian is a longitude. Next one, longitude are called meridians, parallels are called latitudes. North pole 90 degree N, we call longitudes as meridians and latitudes are parallels. Here North pole 90 degree N and South pole 90 degree S. Here 66.5 degree N is called Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle is also 66.5 degree S. Okay children, you have to turn the page 15. Here look at a globe and there are some lines on it. Fill in the missing letters to complete their names. You have to complete here equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, prime meridian. Okay children, this is the class for today. We will meet on next class. Thank you.